So first one is Section 1 is judicial notice when mandatory. So a court shall take notice without the introduction of evidence. So sa judicial notice when mandatory is universally known na siya. So dili na siya kinahanglan og mga proof. So for example is sa Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act. So naisa ka tawo nga makaviolate og Section 5 or Section 3. So ang court is alam na nila or kabalo na siya nga naay law nga about kanang Comprehensive Dangerous Act of 9165 Act of 2002. So known na siya universally, dili na siya need mangita pag proof nga kana siya is naka-violate about nga section. So second is judicial notice when discretionary. A court may take judicial notice of matters which are public knowledge or are capable of unquestionable demonstration or ought to be known to judges because of their function. So the court has the knowledge or has the power, has the authority to decide. So na sila'y power or authority kung asa siya i-file. For example, kung asa siya nga territory asa siya dapat nga territory i-file ang case sa isa ka tao. Section 3 is judicial notice when hearing necessary. So during the pre-trial and trial, the court motu proprio or upon motion shall hear the parties on the propriety of taking judicial notice of any matter. So for example is during the trial, the court may declare it will take judicial notice of the facts and hear the parties on the days before doing so. So kanang paminawan sa court ang kanang facts or arguments sa parties. So after the trial but before judgment or on appeal, if the matter is decisive, the material issue on the court must give the parties of hearing before taking judicial notice. So dapat hatagan sa court og kanang time nga mag-give ang parties of kanang before sila mag-take of judicial notice, dapat na i-allow sila nga kanang kanang give the parties of hearing before So ang purpose sa hearing is kanang to allow parties to present arguments. So kung naay kanang judicial notice, so dapat kanang i-allow sila kay para maka-present sila arguments whether judicial notice is appropriate, kung appropriate ba siya or dili, para ma-discuss ang mga specifics or tenor of the facts to be judicially noticed. Is judicial admission. So when we see admission is admission on or oral written made by the party in the course of proceedings in the same case does not require proof. The admission may be contradicted only by showing that it was made through a palpable mistake or that imputed admission was not in fact made. So for example is sa admission is kanang for example is kanang tao example sa during the rape cases, so nag-admit lang siya or admission nga during sa panghitabo is naa siya, so wala niya giamin nga ang iyang guilt. So ang pasabot man sa admission kanang partial lang ba kanang pag-amin sa isa ka tao. So lahi ang confession jud kay kanang direct acknowledgement sa iyang guilt o sa isa ka tao. So mao na to. Salamat.